The Bihari Kalyan Manch on Wednesday staged a protest demonstration against Shiliguri Municipal Corporation in Mahananda River, demanding Chhath Puja facilities in the river. On Wednesday morning, Bihari Kalyan Manch members stood in the river water, tied black clothes in their hands and protested silently for several hours. Chhath Puja, organized every year, construct thousands of ghats on the Shiliguri Mahananda River, but this year the Shiliguri Municipal Corporation has executed a number of beautification projects in the river bank. Some benches have been set up under the Green City Mission of the West Bengal government at Lal Mohan Ghat, where Chhath Puja is held. This beautification has become a cause of conflict between the SMC and the Chhath Puja organization committee. Railings and seats set up as part of the beautification project will create problems for devotees in getting down to the ghats. Bihari Kalyan Manch and local Chhath Bratis have been protesting against the SMC for some time, but the problem remains unresolved. The organization has argued that the railings made for beautification should not be demolished and alternative measures should be taken. They want at least 10 gates to be erected to enter the ghats, but Calcutta High Court has restricted entry to the ghats. The organizers demand an alternative solution for the problem. A delegation of the BJP Shiliguri Organizing District Committee visited Mahananda Ghat during the day, inspected the overall situation and spoke to the representatives of Bihari Kalyan Manch. BJP leader Savita Devi Agarwal said SMC and the state administration had failed. They should do things after discussing with the Chhath Puja organizers. Chairman of Board Administrator of SMC Ashok Bhattacharya said, "We have dismantled 2 railings for the devotees as per the order by SDO. Rest we are looking into the matter. As this is a project under Green City Mission, we have to take decision according to their rules and orders."